Northwest is support to ensure that we have 12 ministers, the highest by any zone in Nigeria. And as of today, we are having the Right Honorable Speaker from the Northwest, Deputy Senate President from the Northwest, the National Chairman of my great party from the Northwest, and also we have also experienced a lot of presidential intervention by President Bola Tinubu. Having said all this, I would like to hand over to the Right Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable Tajin Abbas, to pass a vote of confidence on our amiable President, President Bola Tinubu. Thank you very much.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, once more, I rise on behalf of the whole entire APC family of the Northwest, comprising all our governors, all members of the National Assembly, all members of the Executive Council, including our ministers, other political appointees, our party men and women, to emphatically move a motion for a vote of confidence on our dear President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Asuba Bola Tinubu, GCFR, for his progressive governance, his inclusive leadership, and unwavering support to the good people of the Northwest geopolitical zone, particularly in all aspects of socio-economic areas, as highlighted by our governor, agriculture, economy, infrastructure, appointments, and Northwest development, which has just come on board. We feel expedient to jointly and collectively move a motion to support that we are behind him, we are together with him, and is our only candidate in the 2027 election. I say more on behalf of the whole stakeholders.
It is an honor and privilege to call on the governor, the former governor, the governor of Kebbi State, Comrade Dr. Nasir Idris, Orogundu, to support the motion and ably moved by the Right Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable about this way.
My name is Dr. Nasir Idris, Comrade, Governor of Kebbi State. I stand here to support the motion moved by Right Honorable Speaker Pate Abbas PhD in support of Mr. President Bola Tinubu for his professional leadership and supporting him for his second term in office come 2027 inshallah. Full support.
Thank you very much. At this juncture, I would like to call on the Honorable Speaker and the Deputy Senate President, who are parliamentarians. I was there last time, but now they are, to now advance and continue the process for it to be legitimate. And hereby,
shall we put the question? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those in support should say aye. Those in support should say aye. Those against should say nay. There is no nay. I didn't hear any nay. For the ayes have it. Congratulations, Northwest. Thank you very much.
at this juncture, we would like to appreciate everyone, but before we conclude, we are going to read the communique of this very important meeting.